Hello, my name is Vita Walker, and I want to welcome you to a short video of Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally, the order of operations. So, to start, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to look over everything in the pencil text. When the 10 seconds are over, the slide will change. Start right now. Okay, students, now that you've had an opportunity to look at the previous slide, the mastery objective, by the end of this video, students will be able to solve a math equation by applying Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally, the order of operations. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally is a mnemonic used to memorize the order of operations in math problems. In other words, a mnemonic helps you to remember specific steps in a math equation. In the mnemonic, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiply, D stands for divide, A stands for add, and S stands for subtract. So what does all this mean? As you begin to solve your math problems, step 1, check to see if the problem has any parentheses first. Then, step 2, look to find exponents. Step 3, if you have both multiplication and division, do those operations in order, starting from the left, then moving to the right. In step 4, if you have addition and subtraction, also do those operations in order, starting from the left, then moving to the right. Here's where the fun starts. Let's put what we've learned into action. In problem 1, we'll solve the problem. If we apply our first order of operations, we know that we must solve what is in the parentheses first. So, 8 minus 3 equals 5. As we bring down the 5, before you move to the next step, I recommend that you not only bring down the 5, but on that same line, rewrite the problem. Don't try to solve the problem in one step. When you bring down minus 2 plus 3 to the second power, you'll keep the problem organized and then you won't get confused. Now, let's focus only on what the blue section of the problem shows. 5 minus 2 plus 3 to the second power. Since we've already solved the parenthesis step, our next step is to locate any exponents. And we know that 3 to the second power is an exponent, and the answer is 9. Okay, on the next line, the pink numbers, we will rewrite the problem to keep things still in order. 5 minus 2 plus the 9. In the next step, according to the order of operations, would be to look for multiplication or division. But there is no multiplication or division. Keep in mind that there will be times where you won't always have all the steps, but you still must follow the order of operations. Since there is no multiplication and division, we'll look for addition and subtraction. To solve the problem, we'll start from the left, then move to the right. Starting from the left, 5 minus 2 equals 3. Moving to the right, plus 9. Now, focus on the red numbers. 9 plus 3 equals 12. So, there you have it. Okay, students, let's go over what you've learned. By watching this video, you've learned to solve a math equation by applying the order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Great job!